recreate this look. I saw it on Pinterest, TikTok, so yes, I'm gonna try to redo it. I've been in my bonnet all day. It don't matter, cause I'm gonna wear this with this face that I have on. So she used orange, brown, tan. Let me get myself together and I will be right back. I got this Revolution palette, Makeup Revolution palette from Target on clearance. So we're falling on a budget and we're gonna see if I can recreate this look. Stay tuned. Okay, so I am going to take these AirPods out, but I'm gonna try to recreate this look that I just showed you guys. Okay, I was fixing my eyelash because it gave me a real hard time, but it's okay. So I'm gonna take the deep, well, no. I'm gonna take one of these oranges. Which one? So yeah, I'm gonna try to create this whole look using one palette. So yeah. Transition shade. I'm gonna use 2 oranges. So I'm trying to figure out which one I want to use. I'm gonna use this orange as well as this orange, and we're gonna use, okay, right now, this orange and this orange. So I'm gonna dip into the deeper orange right now. watching. Subscribe to my channel, give me a comment down below, give me a like or dislike, and let me know something that I could have done better to make this look, you know, better or make it work more. Oh, and give me some tips about lashes, because look at them. Embarrassing. But anyway, I have nowhere to go. I'm just doing a word test today, and then I randomly was bored and I ate me some food, and then I was like, let me go do some eyes because my face is naked right now. So yes, thank you for watching. Subscribe please, because it really helps to support me, and give me a comment and I will be responding.